Hey guys, so major announcement from me. As we all know, crypto right now is just going sideways. There's basically no money to be made. Even the biggest influencers are struggling to make any money. I will be starting to create a content about AI as well. I will be continuing to create a crypto content until there is something to make content about, because I am not lying to my subscribers or followers, and there is nothing basically to be made. Maybe you can make some 2x, 3x plays in meme coins, but overall, there is no euphoria. Bitcoin is maybe going up, staying up, but overall, Ethereum is down. Here you can see Solana is down. Everything across the board is basically down. That's why I will be making AI content much more right now, because there is so much alpha, so much money making opportunities in AI. That's why I will be posting on my Patreon, because there is so much to post. You cannot post, I mean, you can post like 10, you can make 10 videos every day about AI, all the advancement that has been basically made, VO3, there are so many tools. So I will be creating much more content about AI because I want to bring value. And right now, honestly, in crypto, there is literally no value unless you have millions of dollars and you just want to save your money in Bitcoin. That's the only play, just to buy Bitcoin and keep it. But if you want to make money right now, I mean, crypto is basically dead. And I don't think in summer crypto will come back. Maybe after that, but we will see if crypto comes back. I will most definitely continue doing deep research about projects, why they are going up or why they are valuable. But right now, as we all know, it's summer. People are not sitting at their computers. And people are not willing to lose money in crypto, only make money. And right now there is really nothing really substantial to talk about. Overall, crypto will most likely go, Bitcoin will go to million in few years, but we have to wait for the rate cuts from Federal Reserve. We have to wait for Trump to create a Bitcoin strategic reserve for USA, and people have actually how to start believing in this technology. So the utility projects are basically going up. But right now, that's not happening. That's why this is a basically major announcement for this channel, that I will be starting to talk about AI as well until crypto comes back. So yeah. And yeah, if you want to hear about AI, prompts, tools, how to make great videos, how to write great prompts, how to make money with AI, subscribe. And yeah, thanks for watching. If you want to get the latest alpha early, you can join my Patreon. Only $10 a month, but you will get everything that I post on YouTube like a few hours earlier. Because again, AI is moving fast and AI is the future. And yeah, if you enjoyed this video, press like, press subscribe, press the notification bell, so every time I upload, you get a notification and you don't miss out on AI, crypto alpha. And yeah, thanks for watching.